Yeah, 그런데 Aaron, what is your name?
My name is Cyril
Cyril.
Dalion.
Yeah, and about the other, yeah, what is your name?
What's your name? Reynalyn.
Kyla.
Yvonne Fernandez, Ma'am Madel, and then Sir Jake.
Yeah, 반갑습니다.
What's your name?
Mr. Hun.
Hun.
Yeah, Hun.
Hun.
Yeah, that's my last name, Hun.
Hun. What's your
Hun.
first name?
My first name is Sutang.
Sutang ina. What? Sutang Hun. That's unique, but that's unique.
Unique.
Yes, that's unique. Sutang Hun.
Yeah, Sutang.
Sutang Hun.
But in Korea, Hun Sutang.
Hun Sutang.
Yeah, but I'm here in Philippines.
Sutang Hun. Okay. So nice name, huh?
But actually, I'm originally from North.
North
Korea.
North Purview.
둥글게 둥글게 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다.
North Purview lang pala kahit.
I live in Purview. Yeah, Purview.
North Purview pala. North Purview?
When you stay there, yeah, now I'm Oppa, right?
Oppa.
Yeah, I'm Oppa in Makati.
Oppa.
Oppa house.
Ay,